many in Kuala Lumpur still vaguely remember how Dataran Merdeka, as well as the car park and shopping arcade underneath, was submerged in 3-meter high flood waters back in 2007. It is a completely different story today. With a 60 million ringgit refurbishment, the place is ready to embrace tourists from all over the world again as the Merdeka Convention Centre with a proud tagline that reads, "World under one roof." Everything is brand new, from the pumps, firefighting system, security system, telephone lines and IT cables to air conditioning. The flood prevention measures alone have cost the company, Senayan Heritage Sdn Bhd, 5 million to 8 million ringgit and at least 12 months to be in place.
As soon as I saw it, I thought, wow, really you can do something with this place. No, actually that inspired me more, inspired all of us, the whole team, to really put the effort in and make it happen. Because it was a challenge, and to embrace that challenge and make it happen. And then the fact that DBKL also saw, and they also saw the vision and really made it happen with us.
The Merdeka Convention Centre is poised to be a place to encourage the exchange of trade, culture and various industries. Its convention area can take in 200 booths, the car park offers 500 bays and even a driveway straight into the hall for special occasions. It also houses a 24-hour information counter, business centre, lifestyle outlets, art space, theatre space for an audience of 250 and a food court that seats 300, complete with open kitchen and private dining room.
The difficulties of an underground project is where the cost comes in, because the infrastructure and the logistics is difficult. That's the thing. The logistics is very, very costly. At least it's 3 times to 10 times more.
The company prides itself on the iconic historic location.
Compared to other areas, and you can look at the KLCC, and that is a huge monument. That's state of the art. We're talking about history. And that's another greater part of this centre, that it can be customised and tailored to anything to bring forward the history, the culture, and what Malaysia has done and can do and will continue to do. And the rest of the world comes to see it in a more iconic area.